Introducing our new baby. We're really excited about this scooter. It's so lightweight. In fact, it is one of the very lightest in the whole world. There is nothing that comes close. There is actually only 2 other models available internationally, one in America, one in Germany. This is the only one in the UK, so it's really on its own. We're very excited to have this product. It's unique to us, you cannot get it anywhere else. It's a fabulous product, the SCOOTY. It's 75% lighter than traditional scooters, the old heavy lead acid batteries that have been around for years. But even compared to the rest of our Fold and Go range, it's around about 50% lighter than anything else that we sell. So it's extreme, very lightweight. The big thing with this little scooter, it goes a long way. It's got a 12-mile range with its standard battery, or if you upgrade and have the optional extra battery, you can get a 24-mile range, which is class leading. There's nothing out there that's as light as this or that goes as far as this. SCOOTY goes very long distances. SCOOTY is so very fast. A lot of my customers say, well, I'm not bothered about how fast it goes. My little 4-mile-an-hour scooter that I have at the moment is adequate. That might be the case, but it is a nice feature to have. It's not costing you any more to have it. This scooter now does 4 miles an hour, 6 miles an hour, and 8 miles an hour, and you can set it at any of those speeds. So you've got the choice. If it's coming on to rain, or you need to get home a little bit quicker, flick it up into the 8-mile range. It doubles the speed. SCOOTY is strong. It's a real strong little scooter. It's made of aircraft grade materials for strength and lightness, and it will carry a 25-stone person on it. Again, class leading. There's nothing else out there on the market that will come anywhere near that weight range and do this speed, but yet weigh only 13 kilos. SCOOTY is a winner. With its clever high-tech lithium power and aircraft grade materials, it's built for lightness, strength, and of course safety too. SCOOTY goes anywhere. This little scooter weighing only 13 kilos, which incidentally in old money is about 28 pounds, light as a feather basically. She easily fits into any car boot, and it's great for planes, trains and automobiles. You can really go anywhere with your lovely new SCOOTY.